Here's a new 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. When lightning strikes, it leaves its mark. Plug into a powerhouse whose time has come. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, energy regenerative brakes, mirror-mounted spotlights, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, heavy-duty shocks, rear parking sensors, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.